Welcome folks, thanks for joining us. Let's talk about changing the rotor brush in the electrostatic carpet sweeper. First of all, lay the sweeper upside down on a protected flat surface that won't scratch the sweeper. Each end of the rotor has a drive wheel with a knob sticking out at the end. The sweeper body has a plastic tab with a metal grommet on each side. The wheel knobs mount inside these grommets. Firmly push or pull one of the tabs out toward the side of the sweeper while pushing the rotor in the opposite direction. Pull up on the rotor and the knob will come out of the grommet and you can remove the rotor. To install a new rotor, simply place the knob of one side of the rotor in one of the grommets. Firmly push or pull the opposite tab out and lower the second wheel knob into the grommet of the pushed out tab. Release the tab and the rotor will snap into place. Lastly, move the wheels back and forth to make certain that the rotor is turning with the wheels. You have just changed the rotor brush in your carpet sweeper. Thank you for your interest in Fuller Brush products.